In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up rules in Trello. Whether you're new to using Trello or an experienced user, automating your board with rules is an excellent way to streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Let's dive in and go through the setup process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. This is the main landing page where you'll access all the boards and the magic that happens within them. Once you're there, click on the Login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials here. Trello makes it easy to log in, either by using your email address or directly through Google. Choose whichever method works best for you. After all, it's all about ease and convenience. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your home page. From here, navigate to the Boards section. This is where you can access all the boards associated with your account or workspace. Scroll down to the Your Workspaces section. This is where you'll find the specific board you want to work with. Go ahead and click on that board to open it up. Now, with the board open, it's time to embark on our automation journey. Look towards the top of your screen and click on the Automation button. This is your gateway to the world of Trello automation, where you can create rules that save time and eliminate repetitive tasks. Next, click on Rules. This is where you'll set the conditions and actions that make your board work for you. Go ahead and click on Create Automation. At this point, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to tailor actions to your specific needs. Let's start by setting up a trigger. Click on plus add trigger. For this demonstration, we'll use the card move trigger, which is a common option that many find useful. Click to explore the options under this trigger. For simplicity's sake, let's select the first trigger in the list and add it by clicking the plus button. Next, choose the action you want to occur when the trigger is activated. Click on move. Again, for this tutorial, we'll choose the first action available. Keeping things straightforward is key when you're starting out. Now click on the List Name drop-down menu. This is where you determine which list the card should move to when the trigger condition is met. Select the desired list from the options given. Once you've set your preferences, click the plus button again to solidify this action within your rule. To finalize everything, ensure you've reviewed all parts of your new rule, and when you're ready, hit save. And there you have it, your rule is officially in place. By establishing these rules, you've automated a part of your Trello board. You can always come back to adjust or add additional rules as your needs evolve. This is a powerful way to amplify your productivity and keep your projects organized. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing with Trello automation.